Hey friends, the Zoom app is an excellent app, and if you wish to use it for video conferencing, then I'll help you download and launch it on your computer. So open the Microsoft Store at the bottom of the system tray, but if you don't find it here, then you can also search for Microsoft Store and open it from here. Now search for Zoom and hit enter and go to Zoom Workplace and click on install. It will install Zoom in a matter of seconds. This is the easiest and safest way. But if you want to install the Zoom app online, then you can search for Zoom in the Bing or Google search bar. If you search it on Bing, you'll find this option to download it. The name of the website is zoom.us and you can go to zoom.us/download. Click on download and then click on open. I won't click on open because I'm already downloading it from the Microsoft Store, which is quicker, safer, better. It doesn't push malware, and I can be very sure of the app that it is from the genuine website. Now, once it is installed, search for Zoom in the search bar and open Zoom Workplace. Okay, it will start launching Zoom. Now click on sign in and we can sign in from the Google account or any other account if you have it, and then click on continue. It will open in your default browser. Then check this box and click on open link and it will redirect you to the Zoom app where it will open and launch Zoom. And now you can create meetings, a new meeting, or join an existing meeting with the meeting ID and the password. And you can also change settings by clicking on your profile picture here and then selecting settings. Now here's what I usually do as soon as I open the app. I go to the video section and make sure that I'm using the right camera, because if I use the wrong camera, it won't show in the meeting. So I make sure that I'm using the right camera before anything else. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.